Hi, welcome back to the channel. We've got a Volkswagen Touran in today. We're going to change rear spring and chock, so we'll go through it. Hopefully we'll keep the video under 10 minutes. Doesn't take that long to change them. So first thing, going to get this wheel off. Need 17mm and your locking nut. We have just done the other side, so we have got all the right tools out. So, as you can see in here, on the top of the shock, we've got two 16mm bolts. We're going to whip them out, and as you can see here, we have got a snap spring on this side. So we'll get them undone, drop that down, send the ramp up, and then we'll crack on. We just use it on a 3/8 gun. Hopefully it'll crack them off. Yep. So once you've got that off, we can get the ramp up in the air. Pick our wee bolt up. Right, so going to get our gearbox jack, get that under there. Let's bring it around so you can see. Get the jack up, take a bit of the tension because this arm will spring. You've got an 18mm bolt and an 18mm nut. As you can see, that sprung a bit. And we're going to lower our jack stand down. You see the spring snapped. On these you need to take off the rubber. Remember, you've got a top and a bottom on your rubber. Lower that down a bit more, give some room. You can see on the bottom rubber, on this one, we've got a locator and a stopper for the actual spring, which lines up in here. So we'll put them to one side, move that out of the way. And then we've got a 21mm bolt here on the back to get the shock off. Get a bar. Tight. Yourself a big breaker bar. So once you've got that out, you can see your shock here. When you take this cap off, Once you've got the cap off, you slide down the bump stop, and then you can get a set of mole grips onto the shaft of the shock absorber, and you've got 1/16mm nut in the top there, so we'll whip them out. See, they come off quite easy. Take the top mount off. Remember, you don't get a sleeve or a bump stop in your new shock absorber. So you need to save these. So then it's just back in reverse, bump stop, dust cover, top mount, straight in with the mole grips, your nut back on, tighten that back up. Don't forget to seat your bump stop back into there. And we're just going to get our back bolting loose. Drop everything. Where did I? We forgot our top cover. So don't forget, put your top cover back on. And get that in, we'll tighten that with a bar in a minute. Now get yourself an extension bar in your 16s. You'll just see there, get these lined up. We'll fire them in. And we'll give this a little tighten with our bar. And then the springs on these, they're both the same. There's no top and bottom on this. All you got to remember is your top and bottom on your rubbers. And as you can see there, you got a locator for the bottom ring. And then you need to make sure the locator, just try and bring you under there. You can see there's a locator there, so that's sitting. If you're doing this at home, on the floor on your driveway, you can do it. You'll just need 2 jacks. Or you could use, take your jack out and use some axle stands, because you need to be able to jack this back up, as you'll see now. It can be awkward to line this hole up, so what we do is just get a screwdriver in. And you can manipulate the hole to line up and get your bolt. Get your bolt in, knock your screwdriver out, back on when you're 18 and drive it through. With your nut on the other side. Make sure that's nice and tight. And then we can release the arm. As you can see, top mount's all in, bump stop's in the correct place, cover on, all brand new. Get the wheel back on now. That's the end. We'll torque that wheel up when it gets down, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching. We're nearly at 25,000 subscribers now. We are going to try and make more of an effort and get some more videos out, but just we are a working garage and it gets quite busy in here sometimes. So yeah, don't forget, like and subscribe. Keep watching. See you in the next one.